Google Chrome's iOS update makes swapping work and personal accounts a breeze. Secure, seamless, and enterprise-ready. Ready to level up? Let's dive in. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech news hotspot. Today we're unpacking Chrome's game-changing iOS update. On July 22nd, 2025, Google dropped a Chrome update for iPhone and iPad, making account switching a snap for enterprise users. Toggle between personal and work accounts in 2 taps. No more logging in and out. Work tabs, history, and passwords stay separate, keeping your data secure. Tap the profile icon, pick your account, and boom! Chrome isolates work data like tabs and passwords from your personal browsing. An onboarding screen explains the separation, and you'll get a heads up when entering a managed work session. It's perfect for BYOD setups. Chrome Enterprise now brings iOS reporting tools to track security events, sending logs to the Google Admin Console or CM systems. Plus, URL filtering blocks unapproved sites like rogue AI tools, redirecting to secure ones. IT teams get tighter control without touching your personal data. With 65% browser market share, Chrome's update is huge for 1 billion iOS users. Experts call it a lifesaver for hybrid workers. It matches Android's work profile features, but no multi-personal account support yet. Still, it's a win for privacy and productivity. Google's eyeing more Chrome iOS upgrades, maybe even multi-personal profiles like Edge. For now, enterprise users get free Chrome Enterprise core features with premium options for extra security. Stay tuned for more iOS tweaks. Will you use Chrome's new iOS account switch? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech scoops.